All right, this is Miss Jennifer. She's got 2 in the oven, and she is carrying her 2 babies, head down, both of them, right?
Actually, one's breech now.
One's breech
but
now.
The twin A's head down.
Okay.
Twin B's head up.
Ah, they're still moving around.
Yeah.
Room to go. What week are you in?
37 weeks tomorrow.
37 weeks tomorrow. So we're gonna just video the check and adjustment, and I'll give you the phone so you can do that. Okay. Adjusting. Take this off. Adjusting moms with twins is a little different than
anything else.
Yeah, you know, especially this far along because they're pretty big. So, just had a pretty easy for me. You've had a really easy pregnancy. I've had no problems at all.
It's been pretty easy, minus the carpal tunnel, but this has been helping.
Yeah, carpal tunnel. It's common.
Yeah.
Definitely more swelling.
Yeah.
But remarkably healthy, and you are 40?
41.
41.
Now. Turned 41 on Sunday.
Did you really?
Uh-huh.
Happy birthday.
Thanks.
Oh my gosh.
Now,
Having a home birth, 41, twins, first birth. So, pretty exciting. And if I get a call to come, I will run.
Yay.
Awesome.
I will check your babies, check you.
We're all going to be Virgos officially now at this point.
Oh,
They
really?
made it into Virgo, so Virgo family coming right up.
That's awesome. I use an ECS for a couple different reasons as an instrument, because first one being it's a lot easier. Second one being it's a lot easier. Oh man, that's a little tight in
It's
there.
tight in there. I feel it.
Really tight. You have lotion on.
I know. I realized that I did that. Sorry.
Yeah, right after she got
I was
done,
like,
she was
oh,
like,
no.
"Oh
Do
no!"
not want to slip and slide. So,
I showered for you this morning.
yeah, 1 second. I appreciate the shower, but
I usually remember not to, but then today I can barely.
little bit. So, if someone is a little slippery, this is actually just a little bit of light alcohol. I just want to have a good contact. Okay. She's got a T2 pure IT, and it is really stuck. So, shoulder, drop your left shoulder down just a little bit. Good, okay. Oops. Mucho better.
That's better.
Much better. Nice. Go ahead and stand up for me.
Keep my hair up.
Sure. So that's pretty tight there. That was bad there.
No.
Count that. 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This one I do on the knee chest. Let me lower it for you. Perfect table to labor in.
Right.
It is. Is that okay?
Yep.
PLIT. Just drop your belly down a little bit. Good, perfect. Use my thumb contact. Go ahead and come on up. Still so agile. All right, and a sacrum problem. And I need you to, I'm gonna have Maddie hold while you video. Is that okay?
That's fine.
Hey Maddie, will you hold her leg? Hey Jimmy. So adjusting the low back with mom, sort of at the end stage of pregnancy. You need the belly a little bit off the table, so I always have someone support the leg. Let's bring your shoulder down. There we go. Chin up and back. Turn your head down like this.
What's the best angle for this?
So you can come around that way, just not directly on my tuchus. Shoulder, she's got a base, which really does help labor and delivery, so that's why I'm sticking on this. And I'm gonna do a finger push because I can keep her more upright. I don't have to roll her as much. And just relax your stomach. Relax. Good. Okay, perfect. And always help mom up. She's getting bigger.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thank you. All right.